100 years since the Law of Property Act, we still buy and sell homes, but it now takes longer. We have roughly a third of house transactions drop out. Times that are now at least 120 days from instruction to completion. There's roughly £1 billion of wasted effort a year. This charter is about the leading players in the market getting together to bring about real change for everybody, with one aim being to get the property transaction process down to 28 days from sold subject to contract to exchange. All the leading members of the industry got together and signed the charter. And there are 8 key elements that go together to make it work.
The great thing about when a seller's conveyancer is instructed right at the beginning is it allows the buyer to have so much more information when they're looking at the property. There's loads of examples of where early preparation has prevented delays and made significant enhancements to the sale process.
Having the information available right from the get-go means that the conveyancers, the owners, potential buyers, agent, lenders, everybody is cognizant right up front of any issues that might arise. And the longer you've got to resolve those issues, the more likely you will. If information is not provided at the beginning, there's a built-in fear from a cost perspective of delay. The reality is that if you were to do these things up front, it would increase the number of transactions.
At the moment, we commission at the point when the buyer is secured, and it can take weeks, if not months, for these packs to be returned. So commissioning a leasehold pack at listing would be an incredible benefit to the speed of the transaction. Too much time is spent on inquiries because you're going backwards and forwards trying to obtain information from third parties that either doesn't exist or takes too long to obtain. If we had trusted information at the start of the transaction that we could rely on, it would reduce inquiries and it would speed up property transactions.
Trusted data would allow us to be way more proactive and start to hyper-personalise that experience. One of the key aspects of consumer duty is making sure that customer is absolutely clear on the expectations around that journey.
A secure single data repository which agents, lawyers, financial advisors are able to rely on and pull data from quickly and securely would be transformational for the house moving process. It would allow everybody to have certainty over the same documents. It would allow less duplication in terms of people chasing and requesting the same documents.
You would move away from this heavy paper, fragmented, siloed journey into something that is transparent, clear, something that has expectations set from day one.
The more this becomes a differentiator for buyers and sellers to be able to look for agents and conveyancers and lenders who have signed up to the charter and abide by its code, the more the chain's going to stand up.
We're responsible for so much, and if we are going to provide the service, we've got to meet the overheads of recruitment, of training, of insurance, and we need a fair fee to represent that.
The Charter is so important because it really tackles the root causes of the problems that we're facing in the industry today, the uncertainty and the length of time that it takes.
We've all put our time and effort into where we are today, and I think progression is what we need. We need people who are thinking outside the box and people who are looking to innovate and do better for our clients.
We have started this charter and signed it because we want to bring about lasting change to the industry. We want to make it better for everybody. So my message to stakeholders who haven't yet joined is quite simple. Come and join us and make the process better and faster for everybody.